This is Somalia, especially the capital city of Puntland, Garowe. Let's explore together the amazing streets of Garowe. What if I told you that one of the cleanest and fastest growing cities in Somalia is still unknown to much of the world? Today I'm taking you on a journey through the streets of Guro, the capital city of Puntland state in Somalia, to discover a modern city that may surprise you. The first thing that stands out about Guro is how clean and organized the city feels. Wide roads, palm-lined streets, and modern buildings create an atmosphere that is both peaceful and welcoming. As I drive through the city, it is easy to feel why Garowe has become one of the most important cities in Puntland state. Garowe continues to grow every year. New roads, hotels, business, and public buildings are changing the city skyline. This is one of the main roads in Garowe. It connects the general hospital with other parts of the city. It was built in 2025. Before that, this area was seasonal riverbed. Today, it is a modern road that has made transportation much easier. This modern development reflects the ambitions of a city to invest in its future while serving as an important administrative and economic center. One of the things I enjoy most is simply watching everyday life. People gonna work, students walking to school, local business opening their doors. These everyday moments tell the real history of the city. They show a place full of energy, opportunity, and hope. Garowe is not only about buildings and roads. The palm trees, open streets, and surrounding landscapes give the city its own unique character. Whether you visit during the morning or in the evening, there is a calm and relaxing atmosphere that makes exploring enjoyable. Every street offers a different view, making the drive through the city an interesting experience. Garowe is well known for its clean, beautiful maintained streets and smooth traffic flow. The city-wide roads, landscaped medians, and peaceful atmosphere make it a wonderful place to walk, relax, or simply enjoy time with friends and family. These are some of the qualities make Guro much a special and welcoming capital. If your image of Somalia is shaped only by stories of conflict or destruction, a visit to places like Guro may completely change your perspectives here. You can experience a different side of the country, one of the peace, development, hospitality, and everyday life. It may even inspire you to add Somalia to your travel list. Let me ask you a question. What has impressed you the most in this video so far? Was it the clean streets, the modern roads, and peaceful atmosphere, or something else? Leave your answer in the comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. My mission is to show to the world the real Somalia, a country with deserved landscapes, vibrant cities, rich culture. Through my journeys, I hope to share stories and places that many people have never had the opportunity to see. Come and experience Somalia for yourself. You may discover a country far more beautiful and inspiring than you ever imagined.